To get the Bambu Studio software, go to bambulab.com. That's BAMBULAB.com. Hover over Software and then click on Bambu Studio. You'll see that Bambu Studio is available for Windows and Mac, and it's also available for Linux. I'm using a Mac, so I'll click that option. Checking in my Downloads folder, I see the Bambu Studio installer. I'll right-click on that folder and choose Open. Then click on the Bambu Studio icon and drag it to the Applications folder. Once you hear the chime, the program should be installed. I'll close this window, click on Applications, and I can see Bambu Studio. I'll double-click to open and say Open. Now we'll click on Prepare, and we can see that the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is listed. If we click the down arrow, we can also see that the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is listed. That's fine that they're both there, but if we don't want both, if it's confusing, on the same line that says printer, we'll click on the gear icon and we can deselect the printer that we don't have. Let's scroll down, we see we have the A1 Mini with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle. If this option is not selected on your particular installation, then go ahead and choose that. Note that there are other nozzle sizes available, 0.2, 0.6, and 0.8. We're not going to be using those. Choose Confirm. The filament type is defaulted to Bambu PETG Basic. We're going to be using PLA Basic to start with, so we'll select that. Note that as with the printer, you can click on the gear icon and select or deselect any of these filament types and even set a custom filament if you're going to use a filament that's not listed below. For now, I'll click Cancel and stick with what I have. Lastly, we'll note the plate type. The default plate that should come with your printer is the textured PEI plate, but if you happen to have one of the other types of plate, then this is where you can make the selection. I have the textured PEI plate, so I'm going to stick with that. So that's it for the basic setup for Bambu Studio. We're now ready to import a model and slice it and export the G-code and print.